Apocalyptic alliteration from his pious pontificating pause. He lays down a can of wizardry. What pass? So wonderfully, wondrously weird. Why with scintillatingly sadistic sensationalism? You short circuit. Your soul, sickened, seared, scorched, sizzle and fizzle as madcap manic metaphors mortified. Melt your mindscape. My renewed morally magnificent, majestic madness. Your fragile funny bone will fracture. Folding 444 ways from the frightful force of your mindless mirth as you witness the psychedelic symphony of sensationally screwed up, sophomoric silliness served up in symbiotic self-sacrifice. Upon this very performance platform, a prosaically prosaic power, pleasantly plump, pungent, poetic pugilist, my amazing, awesome, audacious, awe-inspiring alter ego, as well as your king, architectural artisan of alliteration, Pillsbury Poet Boy! In introduction, I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what slam poetry is. It's kind of performance and theater combined. So I know a lot of people, when they hear poetry, they think 300-year-old dead poets writing stuff in Old English, and it's not enjoyable anymore. But this slam poetry is not that type of poetry. It's poetry that's kind of accessible to everybody. And that's what we try and do, whether we're doing it on the stage or whether we're doing it on the page as well. Did any of you guys see the opening ceremony for Shane Koisa? I found a playline when I was 8. Enjoy the ride, he said. I'll be back at 9. 10 o'clock. I shiver in my paper jacket. This last night of the fair, early September, I wait by the fence near the pirate ship, the picnic area just off to the side where he told me. The banshee howls. A gremlin waves at me from a grove of trees nearby. 10:30. Darth Vader recruits me to the dark side for my own protection. Dan, when he arrives, go back to being a good young Christian boy. I promise. The agreement verbal, not binding. The document signed. 11 o'clock. I phone home. No answer. I hear the snoring, silent over the wings, and postcard cliche, I wish I was there. 11:30, he shows up. Sir, I couldn't be here earlier, he says with the ultimate display of casual. I have important things to take care of. On the way to the car, I locked my arm in his, grateful for the closeness. But then, in the darkness, slightly, very slightly